This is our new product. Our 6-piece eyebrow and grill molding for the 58 to 62 car. We made it out of fiberglass. So we're going to make it out of carbon fiber, fiberglass, and it can also be chrome plated. The worst part of this whole thing is installing the fasteners. They're a pain in the ass. But we've already done a video showing you how to install the fasteners. It's just time consuming. But the secret to this whole thing is fitting these and doing our body work to them before we do anything more. So fasteners installed, refer to the other video. And the way it goes in there. The fastener comes in from the back side and it fits it nice. You come back in, finish off your body work. Thing of it is, every one of these cars are a little different. We all know that. They've been sanded on and ground on and painted 2 or 3 times. You're lucky if you come across one today that hasn't been painted already once. That's the cream puff. That's the better the car you start with, building a nice custom or a Restomod, the better off you are. So you spend a little more in the beginning to buy a nicer car, but in the long run it saves you a tremendous amount of money. So we're making everything, getting it ready to go, so we can send it off, get it chrome plated, because you want to fit the finished chrome plated part to the car. So it's a 6-piece kit. It's giving you the 4 eyebrows. It's giving you the upper and lower grill molding. Okay, that one's obviously the upper. How they fit in there nice. You got a nice lip, you got something to work with, you got something you can put some filler to and make it fit nice. We start off with original trim off of a C1. So we had to make 6 molds off of all 6 of these. And then we made a fiberglass part. And then we perfected that fiberglass part to fit the car nice. And then we made our molds so we could infuse them and make them in carbon fiber. They're all going to be infused, so they're going to be a little bit lighter than a hand-laid part. They're stronger. But that's our new product on our 6-piece eyebrows. Go and wink at you. And our grill moldings. One more piece in the arsenal. Thanks for watching.